All right, well, the National Weather Service is now starting to issue winter weather advisories just off to our west. And while it's not in the immediate peninsula, I do expect that these advisories are going to gradually move towards the east because some snow is in the forecast. Right now, though, it is dry with the live look of Rehoboth Beach on the Morse Roofing and Siding sky cam. Generally clear skies, but a few clouds are starting to build into the area. Winds have subsided and temperatures are getting cold, down to 29 degrees in Georgetown already, dropping through the 30s. So the cold air is in place for precipitation to start off as snow. In fact, the precipitation shield in the form of snow is beginning to inch closer to our area. Now it's moving through Kentucky and Tennessee. It's essentially a batch of moisture that's riding along a very sharp temperature gradient. So the storm is going to ride along this temperature gradient so we can get an idea what the storm track is going to be. So the expectation is for precipitation tomorrow to start off as snow. And we could be seeing flurries as early as tomorrow morning. I don't think this is really going to amount to much. And we're going to be battling with some low-level dry air during the morning, so it's debatable whether any of this makes it to the ground. But the chance for really more meaningful snowfall will begin later Monday afternoon through the evening hours. Notice at around 3 p.m. the precipitation shield really starts to overspread the area. And then I think by around 7 p.m. or so, light to potentially moderate snowfall overspreads the region. And this will be the case for the coming hours up until about midnight or so, where the rain snow line gradually moves to the north. This is at 12 a.m. Once we get past that, that's when I think the precipitation really begins to lighten up. And then Tuesday itself, it's a mostly cloudy day, and I think it's mainly dry, but there could be a few scattered rain and snow showers throughout the day. And then by the nighttime hours, we're expecting clearing skies. And then Wednesday is a dry day, but a cold day. We're expecting temperatures to be stuck in the lower 30s for daytime highs. So in terms of snowfall accumulations, that rain snow line staying just to the north, it's really going to hammer down on accumulations to the south. So I think barely anything towards Accomack County and the southeastern coastline, perhaps a trace to maybe up to an inch around Wicomico County towards Ocean City and the Salisbury area. You have to get north of Salisbury, I think, to get the better, lighter accumulations, around 1 to maybe 2 inches. The further north you go, so maybe places like Dover have a chance at maybe seeing 2 inches out of this. And you have to go further inland towards the Washington and Baltimore metro areas to see maybe to as much as 4 inches of snow. So this is not a significant storm by any stretch, but it's a nice light snow event. We haven't seen that in a while. By the way, Wednesday morning, wind chill values are going to be in the single digits, so very cold air is going to filter in behind the system. 22 to 27 for tonight, a cold one with building clouds, flurries maybe tomorrow morning, but better chance for light snow developing during the afternoon hours, 34 to 39 degrees for the daytime highs. So the Bridges Carpet Dock Rocky forecast. So it's yellow pause during the afternoon and no advisories by the waterside. Looking good but cold until Friday with another storm chance. But don't go away. Your lottery numbers are shown right here. We'll be right back after the break.